ciabatta from Italy, with pesto, mozzarella, and prosciutto. If you are craving an easy Italian lunch, there is nothing better than a flavorful ciabatta featuring all the Italian flavors and colors. Ingredients: 1 ciabatta, 2 tablespoons basil pesto, 2 slices prosciutto crudo, 1 medium tomato sliced, 1 mozzarella sliced, pepper to taste, oregano, extra virgin olive oil. Preparation: firstly, slice your ciabatta into 2 halves, and spread 1 tablespoon pesto on each side. Then slice your tomato and mozzarella into medium thick slices. Layer the prosciutto crudo on one side of the bread. Top the prosciutto with the tomato slices and sprinkle some oregano and black pepper. Then drizzle olive oil to get all the sweet taste out of the tomato. Finally, layer the mozzarella slices on top of the tomato slices. Close the ciabatta bread, cut into halves and serve. Buon appetito!